In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to FaceTime and multitask on an iPhone 12 or later. Let's dive right in and explore how you can stay connected while getting things done. First, we'll begin by starting a FaceTime call. To do this, open up your FaceTime app. It's the one with the green icon that looks like an old school camcorder. Once you have it open, you'll see a little plus button in the top right corner. Go ahead and tap that. This lets you create a new FaceTime call. Next, you can select a contact from your list by simply tapping on their name, or you can enter a phone number or an email address in the provided field. After you've made your selection, decide whether you want to start a video call or just an audio one by tapping either the video or audio button. This will start up your FaceTime call. With your call successfully underway, let's shift gears to multitasking, which makes use of the picture-in-picture mode, a really handy feature. While you're on your FaceTime call, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. If you have an iPhone with a home button, you can also just give that a press. What this does is minimize your FaceTime call into a small floating window, letting it hang out on your screen without taking up the whole space. A really cool thing is that you can move this little window around. Just press on it and drag it to wherever you find convenient on your screen. Now, with FaceTime running in picture-in-picture mode, you're free to use other apps alongside it. Whether you want to browse through Safari, send off a quick text message, or even have some tunes playing in the background, you can do so without the FaceTime call getting in the way. The picture-in-picture window remains on top of whichever app you choose, so your FaceTime call stays active, letting both audio and video keep rolling. When juggling multiple tasks, you might want to adjust the size of the FaceTime window. This is easy. You can resize it by pinching in to make it smaller, or pinching out to make it larger, and if you want that window back in full screen mode, just tap on it once. Conversely, if you'd like it out of the way, you can swipe it off towards a corner to make it disappear from your central field of view, keeping your screen neat and organized. Finally, when you're ready to end the call, simply tap the red X in the FaceTime window to hang up. And there you have it, a simple way to multitask while staying connected on FaceTime using your iPhone 12 or later.